Check out this Chrysler 2017 200 Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: flex fuel vehicle, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated center stack radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, MP3 decoder, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.